I mean, we're going to become a lake, and it's hard to accept.
You're in there and you're going, God, what am I going to do? I just have no chance in the world of getting any of this done because one pickup load and a 6x8 trailer is not going to empty a house.
You guys are good? You gonna make it out okay?
Yeah, we'll be fine.
All right.
Good to be out there.
Residents in the mandatory evacuation zone must evacuate immediately.
My biggest concern is where we're going to live.
I wanna go back home.
It's just so hard to believe all the devastation.
Our expectation is that the total flood cost for 2011 is going to be somewhere in the neighborhood of $250 to $300 million. And at this point in time, we don't expect more than $40 to $45 million that would be available for buyouts.
So the initial estimates are that there are over 3,100 homes that are extensively damaged or completely damaged. If you do some of the math on that and you apply your own estimate of the value, what you believe the average value of the homes are, you come up with a huge number.